full picture as such. Okay, they do not cover the full picture, financial performances. Okay, if you are manipulating, what are the NFPI? This will come somewhere in section A. Okay, section A in the, or it will be there in the section C for 3 marks. What is the non-financial performance indicator? It is not in the C. What are the non-financial performance indicators? A firm successfully involves focusing on small number of critical areas that might excel at. These factors vary from business to business. Is there, you are talking about the quick delivery, okay? You are talking about customer satisfaction. You are talking about the brand image, okay? Range of products people want. Is it? These are the non-financial. Is it? What is the quality? Time of delivery. Okay, how much time it is taken? Is it? How much time? We take the, once it is delivered, we take the survey of that. Okay, we are taking the survey of that. Those are the non-performance financial indicators. They are talking about the British Airways. Is that cleanliness is there, helpfulness of the staff is there, finding the work way around is there. Is that? These are the things. Now, if I will tell you one thing, if you cannot, you will find it very most important thing we have to understand is that local support is there, local culture is there. Okay, local culture is there. How much you are talking about the time frame is there. Is that how much queues are there? How many number of, how many, what is the waiting time is there? Okay, what is the delivery time is there? See the things. Very simple. What is the non-financial performance indicator? You are deboarding from the plane and you will come and you pick the luggage. You want to pick the luggage. You will have some process. You will deboard, you will come, you will have the immigration check, then you will come and you will pick the luggage. By the time you are deboarding and you are coming here, automatically your baggage has to be there without loss of time. Without loss of time. This is one of the, these are the things that matters. Okay, these are the things that matters. With respect to the banks, you are having a token system. They say that waiting time is 15 minutes. Automatically you will see. You will see. Is that how it is there? How it will work? Is that how it will work? That is what we are talking about, the non-financial performance indicator. They told you about the British Airways. That is the given. That is the reason I gave the example of the British Airways, from deboarding to the pickup of the baggage. How much it will come? Is it? See that they are talking. See the thing. What will happen? This is very important. Understand the things. We are, is it right? Understand the thing. How much you are getting new business? New business is fine. The most important thing is what is the repeat business. Doctors are there. Okay. Doctors are there. If your doctor is good anywhere, or you get that anywhere, you repeat business. How many people are coming back to you? That is very important. Is that total clients inquiries are there? New business, repeat business. Number of clients consultation, new business, repeat business. How much repeating? Repeating is very important. Okay, once the first time they will come, they have to be very. Where we will say, yes, we will go to that doctor only. Why we will say we go to that doctor only? We have the experience and say that yes. Automatically what will happen? Initially when the doctor will join, you will get an appointment. But as the doctor is performing well, is it right? As the doctor is performing well, what will happen? What will happen that you have to wait, waiting period will increase. Waiting period will increase. You will get delayed appointment. Okay, delayed. If you are getting a delayed appointment, it means doctor's performance, people are liking the services of that doctor. Mix of the client consultation, medically, dietary and fitness. number of consultants employed. Is it? How many medical is there? Consultations are there. Number of consultations employed. We are employing more or we are employing less. Is that fitness? There have been. See, budget is 9. Actual is how much? Actual is more. You are employed. Is it? You have employed, and the budget, the actuals are going to be increased. Is that likewise? Number of clients complaints. Okay. Number of client complaints. Budget is only how much? 270. But actually is how much? The more number of complaints. Automatically what will happen? Definitely this is the non-financial performance indicators. Is that non-financial performance? You will measure this. Means the message is very clear. You should not only take the financial, but also you have to take the non-financial. They gave you different things and they will ask you to analyze. Usually, I didn't come across this. Okay, what is the balance scorecard? Okay, I will just going through the things. What is the balance scorecard approach to performance measurement and control emphasis? The need to provide management with a set of information. What are the set of information? The 4 perspectives are there. The customer perspective, the internal business process, what is the innovation, and what is the financial. See, we will say what is the customer perspective. Value is important. Is it right? People will go all the way. Is it right? I will tell you the thing. You will have a bank account. You will go all the way and drive around 20 miles to reach one bank. Why you will go there? You will not going there because the bank is not near. You are going all the way because you know that the service provided by the bank staff is well and good. You will get all the way to some place to eat. You will drive 20 kilometers and you will say that I want to go and eat there. Why you will eat there? Because you know the value of the product. Is it internal business process? How you are going to achieve financial and customers' objective. Is that I should not give the example, but I am telling you this. People want drive-through is there. What is the concept of drive-through? The moment you are entering the drive-through, you will order. Is that you will order, you will pay. By the time your vehicle will reach there will be a delivery. There will be a delivery. You are making a model. Take the example. Take the example of Talabar. Very simple. Take the example process. How much they have improved it. You are ordering and they say that it will be delivered within 15 minutes. 15 minutes, they will knock the door at your door. This is the process you are talking about. Innovation and learning. Is that innovation, learning curve? What you have to, how you will be different from others. And most importantly, if you do everything, then only in the end you will create value for our shareholders. Are you clear about this? So people will say that people will say you have to be customer. Very simple. You have to go to the customer. Customer will not come to your place. You have to reach to the customer. Then only what will happen? Customer feel that comfortableness. If your services is good, automatically customer will come back to you. If your services are not good, definitely nobody will come. Are you clear about that? This is one of the concept of a balanced scorecard. They are saying where is it? Is that they are talking about? They are giving you some Italian pasta food specializes in high quality, moderate prices are there. The restaurant has recently decided to implement balanced scorecard. There is a customer perspective to increase the number of new and returning customers, to reduce percentage of complaints. That is the reason whenever you go to whenever you are going to have a food, they will ask at the end of the food, they will ask how was the food. They will ask you they will ask you to give the feedback. they will take your contact numbers, contact information, and automatically they will post you in future. Is that they want to see, this is the business. The business is how best you are satisfying the customer and how best you are going to get it back. You are talking about the internal business process. You have to reduce staff turnover. You should not, people, what will happen? You should not lose the experienced staff. Okay, you should not lose the innovation to increase the proportion of revenue from new dishes, to increase the percentage staff time spent on the training, financial, to increase spend per customer, to increase gross profit margin. What they are asking us, they are given you this. Okay, what they are asking, they gave so many things. Okay, what is the truth? What happened in 2008 and what happened in 2009? Is it what happened? Total customers increased. Okay, total customers increased, of which new customers have increased. Both new customers and the existing customers. Existing customers increased less. How much is that? This is increased only 50. New customers are increased how much? New customers are increased by 350. Existing customers should increase. Make it a point. And that is very, very difficult and challenging to any business. Customer complaints has been increased. Why? When the customer complaints are increased, okay, when the customer complaints are increased, now existing customers will not come back to you. Okay, time between taking order and customer receiving the meal. Last year it was 4 minutes. Now it is how much? 13 minutes. Maybe staff has been decreased, because of that the time taken is more. New people have joined, time taken will be more. The people who are preparing the food, is that staff turnover is more. Is that it will take adjust time. If you have the old staff, you will get the food very quickly. Isn't it? Very quickly. That is the last day it is 4 minutes, today is 13 minutes. Percentage of the automatically percentage of staff turnover. New staff is coming. Definitely it will affect the business. It will affect the business 100%. Is that percentage of time spent on training? Is that training? Last year they have spent more on training. This year they are not spending on training. The company should spend more on training also. Now you put that same concept in your workplace, you will understand how the things should be moving. Is that revenue is how much? Revenue is increasing marginally. Revenue from new dishes are more. Revenue from the existing dishes are, they are making more innovations. People are liking new products. Gross profit has been increased. Are you clear about this? Is it okay? Is it okay?
1 second. I'm just absorbing. Okay. So when we calculate, like, okay, yeah, it's okay.
Means the message is very clear. We should not only take we should not think that only financials will work. Most importantly, we have to take the non-financial qualities also in.